Oh no, we're gonna fight something.
For sure.
Oh, for fuck's sakes, we start off. Oh, I'm not recording. Wait a second.
That's weird. Oh shit.
Where the fuck am I?
You're in the middle.
But why can't I move? Okay, never mind.
You can.
It's fine. It's fine. I fucked up. Middle. Oh shit! I can jump and stuff, right?
Yeah, I don't know if it'll really help though.
Woo!
Come in the middle.
Oh my god! Okay, middle. Thanks guys for the... Thank you, amazing.
Oh! He just launched us.
Uh-oh.
Guess you gotta dodge stuff as you're falling. Okay, stand by. Yeah, there you go.
Middle.
What do we do now, May?
I don't know.
Forward.
Stay rest aside.
Oh!
Oh. Down. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that just happened.
Center. Oh, fuck!
Oh, hello? Are we going backwards? Why is it reversing?
There's a whole time thing. This is a clock.
Oh, okay. What the fuck? I don't understand.
Whoa.
What do we have to do though?
Damage the clocks.
Oh, damage the clocks? Which one? Anyone?
Any clock that's not broken.
Shit. I went to... Okay, which one do you want to go to? I'm going to the
top.
right. I don't know. I went down. Okay, where are you? We just
Yeah,
have
down bottom right now. That's it. Nice.
I need to hear. Can you hear me when I'm talking?
A bit. I'm gonna turn you a bit louder though. That should be better. Boom!
Kaboom!
Got that clock. Oh, okay, now we're gonna be game playing again, it looks like.
What?
I grabbed my stopwatch. Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Easy.
I just died.
Yeah.
Was I supposed to move from there?
You were just supposed to wait until I maybe did this thing and then see.
Oh, okay.
Now you're supposed to jump across.